Having visibility of a network's health, efficiency, and service levels is crucial to network and services operations. NSP Assurance applications provide operators with the diagnosis and troubleshooting tools required to keep networks and services operating efficiently. This demo shows how to use the NSP application Incident Advisor to triage and diagnose a new incident using Assurance with machine learning. Let's start by viewing the event timeline to check for incidents. 2 incidents appear in red in the incident panel. This means that they are new. The incidents view shows suggested diagnoses and action recommendations for the new incidents, based on comparison with known incidents. Let's look at the details for this incident. The details page shows the top 5 resolved incidents that show similarities to our current incident. The closest matching incident is an 81% match. Specific similarities between the new incident and the closest matching incident suggest that both have the same root cause, a configuration error. We will associate the closest matching incident to the new incident. Diagnosis and action labels from the known incident are applied to the new incident. Let's look at the recommendation view for the incident. Here, the Incident Advisor shows us a comparison to the closest matching incident and recommends the action that was used to resolve the previous incident. A confidence level is provided. Let's accept the recommendation. The incident is now resolved. Use other tools within the NSP, such as Workflow Manager, to fix the configuration. The incident is now resolved, and information gathered from the resolution is available to the Incident Advisor for machine learning.